Daddy, remember?
What?
It has wheels.
What do you mean it has wheels?
Planes has wheels.
Oh, why does it need wheels?
I have mine wheels. I have mine wheels on a truck.
Oh, you do?
I have horse's shoes on my horse.
Hey, we eat some chicken?
Yes.
Eat some chicken.
Oh, this is a big one.
Yeah.
Your drill's big.
Yeah, you can play with the drill. Eat some chicken.
Yes, it has screw in your drill.
A screw, yeah. You're right.
You have to screw your car. You have a screwdriver.
Alright, I need to go before Cody has to go to bed.
I have
Eat your chicken, Don.
a famous daddy drill.
His drill. Cody?
Don, eat the chicken.
Oh.
Take a bite of the chicken, please.
Yummy.
Take a bite. Come on.
What are you doing?
Do you want me to cut it in half?
Yes.